I just turned 25 a few days ago, and I don't feel like celebrating at all because by now I thought I'd have figured out my life, I would have been rich, I would have made a lot of money, I would have done a lot of things. But here I am, still struggling. Still trying to break the poverty cycle that has been in my family since generations. When I look around me and I look at my parents, I look at people around me, I look at the society I live, I always don't want to be like them. I don't want to end up like any of them. It's not like they're not doing fine. It's not like they're not behaving well on their own. Financially and whatsoever. But I just don't want to be average. I want to be up there, I want to be wealthy. I want to be rich. If I want to live an average life, I am already. I'm an average man already, but that's not me, And I am the firstborn of my family. I have 4 siblings, 4. So if I don't break that cycle, if I fail, they fail too. If I win, they win too. And I look at them, I feel like it's not even a burden. It's just making me, want to work more harder, want to chase bigger dreams, bigger goals so that I can cater for them. Not to now talk of what I want. I want a lot of things. I want to get married. I'm 25. I've always dreamt of getting married at 25. But I'm here, still broke, and I cannot bring a wife inside this situation. I cannot marry and have a woman suffer with me. Not to talk of giving birth to a child and then have the child suffer too. No, that's not possible. I also want to further my education, go abroad, go do my masters, that kind of thing. But where is the money? I also want to travel the world, explore the world. I cannot just be stuck in my city for as long as when. But then, again, where is the money? So everything, let's be real, everything boils down to money. But where is this money? We keep shouting, okay, we will make money. Since when? And when will this money come? I'm kind of emotional right now thinking about it because I've always believed by now, 25 is so far now, I will be made already. But I guess life is not like that. But then, how do we make this money, right? I've had people say you use money to make money. Do you get? But what about if you don't have the money that you will use and make another money? Do you get? And that's my situation. I don't even have the money to use to make another money. So what do you do then? I started my life as an engineer, a phone engineer, because that's what I thought. Okay, learn a skill, start working with the skill, start making money, and you can scale up. But I figured that's the life of an average man. My boss is working, trekking miles before he reach work every day, frustrated at work because something, maybe he's not feeling well or he's not getting enough money or something like that. He's living the main average life that I want to escape from. So I cannot do that. So I left that. I did it for a year I said for a year. I did it for like 4 years, right? And then I left it. I'm not just doing that. And then I said, okay, what's another thing that you can do? I want to be big. Then I tried a business. I tried importation business. But it failed too because the only thing that made that fail was because it needs a lot of money to do a lot of adverts. You need to push your product to your market audience. It's like drop shipping too. And where is the money? So that's why that failed. Number 3, I said, okay, let me start Forex. And that was just like 3 years ago. So I started Forex. I did not take it serious at first until 2 years ago when I took it serious. Well, I've been doing Forex since then and I've been making a lot of progress actually, but I'm not there yet. I'm not where I want to be yet in Forex. Hoping still. And then the fourth thing rather is content creation. But whoa, content creation is so hard. To get your channel monetized, God. I've been on YouTube for the past 2 years and it has been a roller coaster. I had more than 500, 600 watch hour at a particular point in time. But now I've lost the 600 watch hour and I have to start again. Now I'm at 300 again. I hope I can make it to 4,000 this year or before this year ends. But it's been a crazy journey, right? It's been a very crazy journey on YouTube. Then other social medias, I mean, they are just there. You're not just making profit without money, without proper money. And what do you use the money for? Adverts, collaboration, going out, making content. Content needs a lot of money. People think content is just easy and content needs a lot of money. So I've tried everything that I thought okay, humanly possible for someone to escape the matrix, to become wealthy. And I'm still trying, I'm still on the journey, but when will it happen? That's the big question. When am I going to break that cycle? When am I going to make that big bag? Because I'm getting tired. And now I want to do something, right? And this is not for me alone. This is for everybody that is around this age that is watching me too. Because my target audience is mostly 20 to 30 years old. So to all of you struggling out there, how do you think we can even make it in the first place? Now, I believe if I continue this content creation, my YouTube and all of that, I'll get monetized eventually. And then my Forex too will get profitable as long as I don't give up. And then I'll try to gather some money to start a business and try to scale up, try to scale up. And then the education part, I might not go abroad to go and study education. I might just to go and do my master's. Let me just settle down for one university here and follow it diligently so that I won't be wasting time. Do you get? So I will still continue my life, but when I want to calculate when I can say that okay, now I've reached, I'm arrived, like I've made enough money. The money I'm hoping to have made, I've made it now. When can we make it in 2 years? I mean, if you give it our all, if you lock in fully, can we make that kind of money in 2 years? Can we be that kind of person in 2 years' time? I'm asking, and I mean, let's see. I will be going fully and I'll be posting all my updates on here. So if you want to be part of the journey, subscribe. Let's see if we can win together. I love you and I'll see you all in my next video.